ඊට පස්සේ හැපි මූඩ් එකට ගියාම මෙන්න මෙතන පේනවනේ. මෙන්න මෙතන දෙයක් තියෙනවා. මේ 194 කියන්නේ මේක මේ GB 2 ගණක් කියන්නේ මේ ෆයිල් එකක්. يعني මෝඩ් එකක් තියෙන්නේ මේක. ඉතින් අර කොයින් එතන කොය සල්ලි අන්ලිමිටඩ් වෙපන්ස් හම්බ වෙනවා ඒවා හම්බ වෙනවා. හින්දා ඉතින් ඒක වැඩක් ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරලා වැඩක් නෑ. මේක ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරලා අත්තරම වැඩක් නෑ. ගන්න නම් ගන්න ඔරිජිනල් එක. කෙනිකමනේ ඒක. MB 15 කියලා පෙන්නන්නේ ඒ උනාට මේක ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරන්න ගියාම GB 1.8ක් පෙන්නනවා. ඔව් 1.7ක් හරි 1.8ක් හරි පෙන්නනවා. 1GB වලත් ගැහුවා කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. අවුලක් නැහැ. මම ඉන්ස්ටෝල් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ආව ගමන් ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරපු ගමන් ගේම් එක ගන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ. බෑක් වෙලා data off කරලා on කරලා තමයි යල්ලෝඩ් ගේම් එකට බලා ගන්න ගේම් එකට ගියාම කොහොමද කියලා සුපිරියක් තමයි. මගේ පාර්ට්නර් account එකේ තිබ්බ කොහොමද මට මතක නැහැ password එක තිබ්බනම් ගන්න දිවස් පිළියෙල මම මෙතනින් ගිහිල්ලා play button එක දෙන්න තියෙන්නේ input net on මේ ඉතිරයි මේක අදා ගන්න පුළුවන් අර මේ button ටික අදා ගන්න පුළුවන් ඔය දැක්කනේ
After 5 years on the East Coast, it's time to go home.
What's up, Carl is sweet. What's up, sweet? What you want? This mama. She's dead, bro.
working the previous free
Passenger, show us your hand. Stop. Get down on your knees. Now down on your stomach. There you go.
I'll take that, Hernandez.
Hey, that's my paper, man. That's money.
This is drug money.
It's my money, man.
Hey, don't worry about it. I'll fill it out later.
Welcome home, Carl. Glad to be back. You haven't forgotten about us, have you, boy?
Hell no, Officer Tenpenny. I was just wondering what took y'all so long.
Get in the car.
Ease up, man. Damn.
Watch your head.
Get out of here, you greaseball bastard! Stupid Mexican. Oh, hey, sorry.
My bag. Hey, man, my bag.
How you been, Carl? How's your wonderful family?
I'm here to bury my mom. You know that.
Yeah, I guess I know. So what else you got shaking, Carl?
Nothing. I live in Liberty City now. I'm clean. Legit.
Nah, you ain't never been clean, Carl.
Well, what do we got here?
This is a weapon, Officer Pulaski, that was used to gun down a police officer not 10 minutes ago. Officer Pendelbury, a fine man, I might add. You work fast, nigga.
You know I just got off the plane.
Well, that's a good thing we found you. Retrieved the murder weapon.
That ain't my gun.
Don't bullshit me, Carl.
Yeah, don't bullshit him, Carl.
What the fuck you want from me this time?
When we want you, we'll find you. In the meantime, try not to gun down any more officers of the law.
Y'all can't leave me here. This baller's country.
I thought you said you was innocent, Carl. But you don't bang.
Car 58.
See you around like a donut, Carl.
Officer Pendelbury's down. We'll be right over.
See Hernandez.
Oh, shit. Here we go again. Worst place in the world. Rolling Heights baller country. Now, I ain't represented Grove Street in 5 years. But the ballers won't give a shit.
තියෙන ගාව තියෙනවා මතකයි ඔක්කොම ටික වගේ ඊයේ මට නම් ලීසිම ඉන්න මේක පුතා මේක ලීසි වගේ පීරයක් එක්ක කරනවා අයි කොහොමද ගත්තා වීලක් කාය යන්න කොල්ලා මේ සෙටින් ටික දාන්න හෙන්නත් පුංචිවා.
Move, homie.
Grove Street, home. At least it was before I fucked everything up.
සුපිරි දෙයක් කියන්න තියෙනවා මේක මේ චරිතයක් ඉන්නවා ඌ සුපිරි ඒ විදියමයි ආයේ විදියමයි මේ සීජේ වගේ කරක් තියෙනවා අපේ ගෙට හැබැයි හැබැයි ගෙදරට සීජේ වගේ ඌ අතේ කොට ගිහින් කොන්දෙන් ටෙස්ට් කියලා
You picked the wrong house, fool.
Hey, Big Smoke, it's me, Carl. Chill.
CJ. Oh my dog, what's up? Hey baby, you okay, man?
Nah, man. It's my mom's, homie.
Hey, I don't know why this had to happen, but I promise you, I'm gonna find out who killed your moms. The streets is cold, dog. Like it says in the book, we are blessed and cursed.
What fucking book?
Same things make us laugh, make us cry. But right now, we gotta take care of our business. Go see your brother at the cemetery. Come on, let's bounce.
Yes, online කරනවා මම ඕන දාන්නම් මේ group එක යන්න පොඩ්ඩක් group එක ඇදලා password එක දාලා එහෙම අදා ගන්න තියෙනවා
You wanna drive? Yeah, that's cool. Nice car, Smoke.
You know me. It's not cut. Keep the value in it. Keep it real. I miss you these 5 years, man. They're gonna be real happy to see you. Hey, what's up, y'all? Look who I found hanging around.
Carl, hey, good to see you.
I can't believe she gone, man.
That's another funeral you ran away from, fool. Just like Brian's.
Hey, she was my mama too.
Not for the past 5 years, she wasn't, nigga. And where the fuck you think you going?
What? Get out my face. I'm going to see Cecil.
The hell you are, girl. You ain't messing with them essays. You know we beefed it. They ain't nothing but a
Look,
bunch of
I'm not
lowlife.
women. What the fuck are you?
At least I got principles.
Oh, and I guess that makes you an upstanding American. Carl, tell him.
Carl, don't tell me shit,
As long as he treat her right, disrespect you, and he
How
did.
the hell you gonna say that? Like it's any business of yours.
Fuck you, sweet
Oh shit. Here we
asshole.
go again.
This shit's real fucked up. Everything.
What you mean?
What, apart from your mother being dead? Things are going real bad. Here, let me show you running, man. Tony's buried over there. Little devil over there. And big devil over there. Man, it's just crazy. Everybody blasts on fools first, then ask questions second.
ඊට පස්සේ GPS ගාලා YCT ගාලා මේක දාලාද නැත්නම් මේක ගානවා කියලා වෙන්ටක් දානවන්න මම කියන්නේ පිළිවෙලට ගියොත් හොඳයි ඒක මම මේ අප්ලෝඩ් කරනකොට ඉඳ දානවා
Ballers, drive by, incoming. Oh, motherfucker, my car. We gotta get back to the hood, man. It's too crazy around here. Grab a bike and pedal. Either you ain't forgotten that. Follow my lead.
අර මැක්ස් ප්ලේන් එක නම් දාලා තිබ්බා ඒක කරනවා
Hey, man, move. Take you back some, huh, CJ? Yeah.
Things has changed around here.
CJ, watch your back around here, man.
How'd I get so bad? I thought thought this was family's turf.
Yeah, it's Temple Drive family. We don't roll with them no more.
Ini sebagian di topik yang dibahas di sini. Akhir pakai lagi ya kita. Video lain. Pertanyaannya ya gratis.
Move it, see? Shit, a baller's car's onto us. Split up. Keep up, motherfucker. You just a liability, CJ. Why you bother coming back?
Straight back into the game, right, dog?
You upstart, colonial shit.
Was it this bad before you left? East Coast got you all thinned out, home.
Sarge, I said I won't do it.
Come on, CJ. You can't keep up with the fat man.
Move it, CJ. You embarrassing us, nigga. I got with them motherfuckers, though. Showed them niggas who's gangster. Ride a nigga. So when you leaving, Carl?